or maybe 1 to 1.5 hours. So basically, we are discussing about the n queen problem and how we can place the queen in a different place. Okay, so just see the situation. And before writing the n queen problem, if you know how to multiply the matrix, how to make a table in a matrix, how we can do addition at a particular cell of matrix, then this n queen problem is very easy to handle. Otherwise, you can face the difficulty to movement through the matrix. That means we can talking about a 2D array that is we can represent as in the form of matrix. Okay. So when we try to do n-queen problem, so first try to clear our concept related to the matrix multiplication, matrix addition, and matrix how to form the table. Is it okay? So first we understand the logic how n-queen problem is solved. So basically n-queen problem we try to solve using the backtracking. Without backtracking, it is not possible to place the queen within a given board of the maximum queen. So my target is to place the queen in a board in a maximum way. So that's why I can use the backtrack. Okay. So now see, suppose we have a board. Suppose I can take a board of 4 cross 4. Okay. So this board is of 4 cross 4. So basically we can use a square matrix. Square matrix. So all the time you can try to use a square matrix. So 4 cross 4, then 3 cross 3, then 2 cross 2, like this one, 5 cross 5, this way. We can use the square matrix. Now, my aim is we have to place a queen. So suppose in a 4 cross 4 board, we have a 4 queen. We have a 4 queen and we can represent as a capital N. For the notation of the queen, we can represent as a capital N of a 4 queen. Now see, after this, suppose I am going to place the queen in that place. That place. So I'm not putting, so I am going to put queen, Q. So I am going to put out a queen. So first queen, if I can place at a 0 row and 0 column, then we have to see where is the possibility to place next other queen. So left, we have how many left? We have to 3. So we have to left 3 queens. Now, this queen and this queen. So this will be the Q1. Suppose this is a Q2, Q3, and Q4. Now, so where we can use the one CSP, constant satisfaction CSP, we can use, that is the condition we can use queen cannot place same row and column. Okay, so it can, next queen cannot place in the same row and same column and diagonally. Okay, diagonally. So queen cannot place diagonally, queen cannot place same row, and queen cannot play column. So our target to next we have to draw to where we have to place. So suppose I can place the queen in that position. In that position, Q2. So now, so we cannot place the queen this position, we cannot place this position, we cannot place this position, and we cannot place this position. So that is a possibility we cannot place the queen in that 4-3 position. Okay. Now see, after that, what we have to see? So there is a possibility to place a queen in that position. Now, as compared to this one, this queen, we cannot place this position, we cannot place this position, and we cannot place this position. This 4-3 direction, we cannot place the queen. So next queen may be placed as a 3, not possible because the dimensionally we cannot place. So there is a next point where we have to place the queen. So there is a one chance where I can place Q3. So next queen we have to place Q3 position. Then how many queen left? So this one queen will be left. So now check. this queen is placed in that given chessboard of 4 cross 4 or not. Now, so for that way, I have to change my places of queen 1, queen 2, queen 3. That means I am going to backtrack all of these. Is it possible or not? We have to change the position, then we can see there is a queen we have to place or not. Now see, suppose I can change the position, I am going to draw. So after backtracking, now here I am writing. Okay, Jay. Okay, Jay Ramni, we can go. No problem. Please post your registration number here, Jay. Okay, thank you. So now see, after this one, after backtracking, what we have to go do? What is the scenario? That means backtracking. After backtracking, what will be the scenario? Now see, so we can again going to draw this pin place 4 cross 4. So this again I'm going to draw this pin. So that is important, and this one and this one. So now see, suppose I cannot change the place of first queen, so I can place the queen here. The first queen I'm going to place here as it is, no problem. Then change of the second queen, so I can push this second queen is here. So I can push q2 here. Now there is no queen represent. So if I can do next queen, maybe present has a q3 here, no chances, q3 here. So other chances not possible. So if I can change the place of qt, it not be possible to place q3. So again I'm going to backtrack. So after backtracking, what will the scenario? Now I'm going to check. Again I'm going to draw the backtrack. So these are the same things we are going to write in the coding. So I can place q1 here, then q2 here, then we have to place q3 here. Now see, here we can place q4. So this is your final position of queen due to the backtracking. Due to the backtracking, we get the final position of the queen. Now see, each and everywhere we can match this one. Not present, not present, not present, not present, not present. Same here, not. Same here, no. Same here, no. So these are the position where we can represent the queen due to the backtracking. So this yellow color is mentioned that the queen are placed. Okay, so that is the scenario. So each and every step I can place the queen, then next queen place, then third queen. And you can see other queen are placed or not. That purpose I am going to use a backtracking technique. So it comes under the backtracking technique. So someone asks you, what is the NQ problems? Which technique can follow? It can follow the backtracking technique, and it comes under CSP, constant satisfaction problem. Okay, CSP. So here, what is the constant satisfaction? So we have to. So we have mentioned a queen cannot place same row, same column, and diagonal. These are called the CSP. On the basis of CSP, we find out the solution. That means conditions is given. We try to meet the condition, and through condition, I have to try to achieve the goal or the optimal solution. So same things, what is going to write in the same code? So now see, we have to create a one function first of all. So I am writing a functions one by one, then you can understand each and every one. Suppose I can take a one function is attack. So if attack is possible, so I'm writing here one function is attack, and I'm going to pass inside function, I'm going to pass I, comma j, and the comma board and number of queen, okay, capital N. And here I'm going to check checking the column J, because if you put the queen in a row, we can put the queen in a row, so no need to check the row, only check the column and only check the diagonal element. Okay, so I'm going to check the this one row. So for I'm writing from J K to K, see it will be a start. That is a pseudo code I'm writing. K, where it will start? 1 to I minus 1. Okay, K value like 1 2. And we have to check if board of K and board of J is equal to 1, then we have to return true. So now see, suppose P in our place. So suppose I am taking this example. So inside that, if I'm drawing like this one, sorry. So this one I am drawing, and this one suppose was 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Now suppose the queens are present here, Q1, and this one is suppose Q2, and this side is suppose Q3. So suppose I want to draw the matrix. So how it look like? If I draw the matrix, so it looks like where is the king is present? 1, other part is 0. Now 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. These are the position of queen. Where queen is present, we can put 1. Where queen is not present, we have to put 0. We have to put 0. The queen is present, then put 1, and if queen is not present, then put 0. So this will be true. After this, I have to write a condition for the right upper diagonal. So I am talking about from here. Suppose I am here. So this right upper diagonal, then I am going to check right, left upper diagonal. Then we have to check like this one. Okay. So column will be checked, then over. Then I have to write the code for this one, code for this position, and after this we have to write the code for this position one by one. So for this position, I'm going to write a code. K will be a start I minus 1, and L, this will be J plus 1. That is the diagonal elements we have been taking. So I am writing while K should be greater than equal to 1 and L should be less than equal to N, that is numbers of kin whatever place, and you are writing if same process apply, if board of K in the place of J I am going to write L is equal to 1, then return true. Return true. And we have to increment K plus 1 and also increment L plus 1. Okay, so we have to increment L plus 1. So this is code for the upper right diagonal. So I am going to write a code for the lower right diagonal. So similar things, but little bit change for lower diagonal. So we have to go for the last one. So I minus 1, and here in the place of L I am writing J minus 1. So it will be minus. Okay, K value same. I am writing while is greater than equal to 1 and L greater than equal to 1. So again same process I am writing again, board of K comma board of L is equal to 1, is equal to 1, then return true, and we have to perform same process. K equal to K minus 1. That time we have to increase right diagonal, we have to decrease the left diagonal, and we are writing L equal to L minus 1. Okay, now after this we have to return the false. Suppose these all are the false, not possible, then automatically write return false. Return false. So automatically write return false if not possible. So now see, after writing all the things, we have to check if queen is backtrack or not. Is queen is under attack or not? We have to call that position. Is queen is backtrack or not? Then if n value is equal to 0, then return also true. That means no queen is a place. For that person, we have to write a code. So here I am writing. So again, I am passing the n queen, and here I am passing the row, then comma, and capital N and board. And here I'm writing if small n equal to 0, then return true. Okay, then return true. And after that, I'm writing for j in 1 to n, if not equal to is attack, if this is the possibility, then we have to also pass row, then j, then board and size of the queen. Okay, and this is, if not, if this is not possible, then we have to return what we have to return, board of k, that means board of row, comma, j is equal to 1. Okay, and if n queen is not possible, then row plus 1, then we have to n minus 1, then n, and then board. And here we have to return true directly. Okay, suppose this is not possible, then automatically call this one and this will be happen. And for the backtracking, changing current decision, suppose I want to change the current decision, so I am writing board. Sorry. So I am writing board. I'm writing a board of row comma j is equal to 0, and if not possible, the return false. So this is the whole code we have to perform. So if you're writing the code for a 5 cross 5, so this is the possible, that is a standard we have to follow. Okay, so basically this is the code of n-queen problem through backtracking. So this backtracking, okay. So please go through the code. So before understanding this one, n-queen problem. So before writing our n-queen problem, you should clear about the matrix multiplication, then how to frame the table, then addition and subtraction, or we can say that a lower order matrix, lower order, and that is the higher order matrix we have to know. So these are the helpful for writing this code. So we writing the left diagonal, right diagonal, how can count the element of diagonal. So these things are helpful to writing the n-queen problem regarding this one. Okay, so these codes are very helpful for writing the n-queen problem. Okay, so first we try, and suppose same thing now, see. Okay, so these are the important terms we have to write this in the code. So you can try yourself first. If you have a problem, then ask me. And for the today class, we are going to discuss about in the theory class. So we can revise the concept. We can discuss about the important questions. Okay. Is it clear? Like Bhavisha, Chetna, Janvi, Khushbu, Mansi, Nil, Nidhi, Pragya, Udit. So please, everyone can post your registration number for me. Okay, I can take attendance very easily. Okay. These 11 people can post your attendance. That means 10 people. Please Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first you can try. So now see, just wait. Okay, now see this one. Where is, I will try this code here. Okay, so now see, same thing I'm writing. Suppose I can change here 4 cross 4. Same thing, whatever I'm writing, same thing here I'm writing. So it will be here also change 4. So these things are common. So these are the code where we have to write all the things. So now see, simple, what I'm writing, JK I'm taking, then K, whatever I'm writing, same process, all the things. Suppose you can run this code. So automatically it's show the position of the queen. Now see, this side, this side, this side, and this side, four position, where queen is present. Okay. So please try this code. Please try this. I will come back within a 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, please do this.